So I'm not sure what took me so long to make this video. It's already January 13th. January's half over. Most people, or a lot of people, are on the verge of quitting their New Year's resolutions. And as you can see, I fixed my lighting so that the lighting in the front's on and the lighting in the back is off. But in this video, I'm just going to tell you what my plans are for 2022 and going forward. And we can take a look and you could potentially model this too. So in this video, I'm just going to show you and lay out what my plans are for 2022 to make money on the internet. And hopefully you follow along with this journey. Maybe I'll provide updates every month and we can see where this goes. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com to learn affiliate marketing step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, what I'm going to do today, and this isn't keyword friendly or keyword optimized, is I'm just going to show you and tell you what my plans are for 2022 going forward. Now, as you may or may not know, I have a bunch of YouTube channels and I have a bunch of websites. The plan for 2022, I'm just going to show you what I've done via Google Sheet just to kind of outline what my path is and what my plan is. Eventually, what I'd like to do is remove myself from creating YouTube videos on these other channels. This channel, for example, Start the YouTube channel or startthechannel.com, I have videos scheduled all the way out through March. A few months back, I created 78 videos that are scheduled to upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every week through March or May. I'm not really sure, but so that's one thing. That this is just one of the channels that I own. And recently, I decided to actually shift what I normally do and kind of get outside the box a little bit. And I started to count other people's pockets, count other YouTube videos or YouTubers' pockets. And as you can see, that's a really high engagement type of thing. If you watch this video, how much does Tasha K make on YouTube 2022? That has maybe 1,000 comments. It has 19,000 views. This channel has 701 subscribers. The goal is going to be to get to 1,000. And I just uploaded it 3 weeks ago. So when you count other people's pockets, that is extremely engaging when people want to, they want to argue about it. That is food for thought. That's an opportunity for you potentially going forward. But to get back to my main point, eventually what my plan is to have this sort of formula. My wife and I at the top of this structure here with a manager that will report to me and basically just kind of keep things under control, and then 2 sub-managers that will be responsible for each individual channel. Yes, I would like to eventually have a channel manager that will be responsible for uploading the videos and keeping everything on track. This is probably more of like a VA/manager, but this is ultimately the goal that I would like to get to. Every YouTube channel is going to have a blog that goes along with it. The blog, in essence, is going to be the script put in blog format. And what I'll eventually like to do is have a social media manager that will be responsible for getting the content into the places where it needs to go. And so this is the ultimate plan. And right now, I think I have 8 or 9 YouTube channels. For example, this one right here, this one's really successful considering it only has 701 subscribers. This channel hopefully will be monetized in the next couple days. The security camera guy. This is based on a blog, and I've actually kind of shifted the type of content that I make, but check that out. But ultimately, the goal is for each one of these channels is to make money with the YouTube Partner Program, to make money with affiliate marketing. For example, the security camera guy makes money with Amazon Associates and earns affiliate commissions this way. This channel right here, Start the Channel, makes money with affiliate marketing, recommending different products, obviously, TubeBuddy. I think I also have Bluehost in there, and then also selling a digital product as well. So, and eventually we'll maybe offer some sort of coaching program or a course for someone to take to successfully start a YouTube channel. But ultimately, the overriding theme will be for 2021 is to start YouTube channels and then monetize them in a way such that they can be ran on autopilot with affiliate marketing, the YouTube Partner Program, and creating some sort of course. Now, if I don't know how to create a course, if I don't know enough to create a course in a subject, what I will do is I'll go over to a website like Udemy, So we'll go to Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform. And I'm going to go out and try and find somebody that knows the subject matter. And if I can find someone that knows the subject matter, I'll pay them money to create a unique course, or I'll pay them money to buy a licensed version that I can resell, and then I will resell it through my YouTube channel. And I'll sell it either on like Teachable, or I'll sell it on ClickFunnels or something like that. But the goal is to create entire verticals where this is a complete business in a box. And I think that this can be done with anything. This is another channel that I've mentioned before. It's called Web Hosting Rewind, where I show you how to start blogs step by step. Now, this channel I've had for a pretty long time, over a year, and it hasn't gotten the traction that I'd hoped or expected, but that's okay. I still make affiliate commissions with Bluehost, which is interesting. This channel will make money with the YouTube Partner Program if it ever gets monetized, with Bluehost, with premium WordPress themes, and then maybe even a course on how to start a blog. So as you can see here, as an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur, there's tons of options. Now, the plan for 2022 and going forward is to have, maybe 10 or 15 of these channels in various stages and various income streams. And the reason why I want to do this is I can kind of step back from being so far into the business. As I mentioned, with each of these channels, I've created the content, and I've created basically 6 months worth of content, and I've uploaded it. And so, as you can see here with this affiliate program reviews, where I actually do review each individual affiliate program, I create these as well. 537 subscribers. I'm going to make money with this, selling digital products and even affiliate marketing potentially. But this is really the plan and overriding theme for 2022. Now, I'm sure you're asking how I'm going to do this. What I'm going to do, and what I initially plan to do, is to find writers for a website, from a website called Hire Writers. Hire Writers, you can hire someone to write for you, write a blog post for as little as $6.15. Then I'm going to go over to a website called onlinejobs.ph. This website I am going to use to find a voiceover actor or actress, to find a video editor. And what the video editor will do is just combine B-roll. And I'm even considering adding a second video editor, and then also finding someone over on social media, and then basically finding a person that's going to convert the script back into a blog. But really, if I'm hiring someone over on Hire Writers, I don't need that. I can have the channel manager just upload that whenever it goes live. But you can see how this can come together. And once you do this successfully the first time, each time after that will be much easier, because you already have the plan and process in place. But this is the goal for 2022, to create individual silos and verticals under a brand or a name, monetize them in the various ways that I've mentioned. And if I can't monetize them themselves, for example, if I get into like the health niche, or if I get into the credit card repair niche, or if I get into teaching someone how to draw niche, and I don't know how to draw, I can either buy a course that's already done. For example, if I come up here and I type in like how to draw like this, I can find someone, hopefully, that will be willing to sell me a course, and I can sell it directly to consumer. Maybe I can reach out to this guy, or find someone that doesn't have so many, isn't making as much money, and say, hey, look, I want to buy a complete course from you, and I'll pay you $1,000. And if they say yes, I can download the course. I can add it to Teachable or ClickFunnels, wherever it is, and then I can just put in a link right into my YouTube channel, and people will buy the course, and I make money hands off. And the thing is that all of these channels eventually, like this channel, is going to be a faceless channel, so they won't know who it is, and they won't know who's actually behind the course. So I think this could be a really cool opportunity if done correctly. But overriding theme, I'm going to start off building teams out for individual channels. Once they become profitable in the various ways that I mentioned, affiliate marketing, YouTube Partner Program, selling digital and maybe even physical products, I will then maybe elevate someone to manager or hire a manager, and then start the process over on another channel. Realistically, ideally, I probably could do this vertical maybe once a month or once every other month, depending on how quickly a channel becomes profitable. And so, like I said, I can keep you updated. Comment, let me know if this is something that you're interested in, building a YouTube business. let me know in the comment section, and I can create videos to update you pretty frequently and regularly. But I really like this channel because I didn't expect these videos to go viral like this. I'm basically getting 1,000 views a day just from this channel alone, this video alone, and hopefully within 2 months, it's monetized by YouTube. And I think this is considered a high CPM niche because I'm talking about YouTube videos. I'll actually show you because one of the biggest questions is how much YouTube channels make. And since I'm going to be in these different verticals, I'll be able to show you. This channel hopefully is monetized in the next few weeks or so. As you can see, I have over 1,000 subscribers. I do have over 4,000 watch hours. I can tell you about the CPMs for this type of channel. And unfortunately, this isn't monetized, but we can look into all of this stuff. And the benefit to you is you can take a look and see which niches work and which niches don't work. You can actually see someone building a business and the trials and tribulations of hiring a team and firing a team, and talking about some of the pros and cons of building a complete YouTube channel, because I think that's the way to go in 2022 and beyond. Guys, let me know what you think. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified, and let me know in the comment section if this is the type of content that you're interested in. I think this would be pretty cool to just kind of keep you updated every month or so about my progress with YouTube automation, YouTube cash cow, and building a real business for these different channels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.